I would like to read a book to you, My Freaky Frog. My dedication. I dedicate this book to my twin brothers because they really like frogs and other animals. They are also very funny and adorable. Also, they are nice to me and very playful, so that's why I'm dedicating this book to my twin brothers. And here's my table of contents. My team's poor tail. Why do raccoons have masks? Long, long ago in a forest lived a raccoon named Eddie and his brother Ed. Eddie has white fur and beautiful blue eyes and a long tail. The animals do not like Eddie because his white fur smells the most. The animals think he is very stinky and dirty. I wish my fur wasn't stinky and dirty. When he gets home, he takes a nice long bath, and the next day his fur gets stained by oil, and now he has stripes on his fur. He tried to wipe the oil off and saw his fur, and he liked it. And he showed the other animals, and they liked it. That's why raccoons have white fur. And actually, here's my picture of my raccoon. Why do pollywogs wiggle? Long, long ago, in a deep, dark, cold river, lived a pollywog named Rocket. He had the shortest tail of all. He also had blue eyes. One day, Rocket was swimming with his pollywog friends. While swimming with his friends, he noticed that he was swimming the wrong way. Rocket began to feel worried because he was struggling to keep up and he was swimming upstream. This is so unfair. I keep trying, but I'm not getting anywhere, Rocket decides to make a clever plan. First, he decides to exercise his tail and spins and it like a helicopter. Next, he tries to push himself. His tail starts to spin like a helicopter propeller. Rocket thought, wow, this is amazing. I seem to be faster and better. I am able to swim with my friends. Then Rocket looked back at his tail and discovered his tail was longer and stronger. Rocket was so happy that he decided he was strong enough to enter the swimming race and run first place. That is why pollywogs wiggle. And here's my pollywog picture. Adaptation. Adaptation are special things about how an animal looks or acts. That helps it to survive. Animals adapt to their environment. Frogs look and act differently depending on where they live. For example, tree frogs live in trees and the rainforest. Tree frogs have long sticky fingers to help them climb trees and other things. Also, it helps it get away from predators. In addition to tree frogs, glass frogs live in the rainforest canopy. The glass frog has a see-through body to hide from predators. Also, it helps it blend in with its surroundings to hide from predators. In addition to the glass frog, the Amazon horned frog lives on the Amazon rainforest floor. The horns on the Amazon horned frog uses the horns to blend in with its surroundings. And here's my picture about all the frogs I talked about. Colors and markings. How do reptiles and amphibians use their colors to protect themselves? Have you ever wondered how reptiles and amphibians use their colorful skins to survive in the wild? Some reptiles and amphibians use their colorful skin to warn predators. The patterns and designs on the milk snake is black, yellow, and red bands, like the venomous coral snake. The milk snake is not poisonous, but it looks like the venomous coral snake, which is poisonous, like the coral snake. Also, strawberry poison dart frogs have bright red skin to warn predators to tell that they are poisonous. The strawberry poison dart frog uses its bright colors to warn predators that the strawberry poison dart frog is toxic. In conclusion, reptiles and amphibians use their bright colors and skin to patterns to warn predators. And here's my strawberry poison dart frog, and it's a pop-up. So it goes again. The glass frog. Why is the glass frog so hard to see? The glass frog is a unique frog that lives in South and Central America. The glass frog's transparent body helps it survive. Its see-through body helps it blend in with its surroundings to help it survive. Also, when it sits on a leaf, it looks like the leaf. The glass frog is well adapted to hide from predators and survive in its environment. And here's my glass frog picture. My Amazon horn frog. How are my frog's adaptations unique? How did these adaptations help it survive? The Amazon horn frog got its name by its horns above its eyes and lives in the Amazon rainforest of South America, of Colombia, Brazil, Peru, and Ecuador. The Amazon horn frog eats mostly anything that can fit in their mouth. They can also grow up to 8 inches long. The Amazon horn frog can be or different kinds of green. Amazon horn frogs have special physical and behavioral adaptations that help them survive. There are a couple of physical features that help the Amazon horn frog safe. First, it has large horns above its eyes. Also, some are brown color of different kinds of greens. This means it can camouflage. It also hides under leaves so it can hide from the predators. In addition to these physical adaptations, the Amazon horn frog has special behavioral adaptations. A female Amazon horn frog lays her eggs. The Amazon horn frog has the same predators and prey as other kinds of frogs, but it has some special physical features and behavioral that help it survive. This Amazon horn frog is amazing. And here's my Amazon horn frog. The end. Thank you for reading with me.